How to make chili seeds and how to plant chili from seeds. Chili is a kind of vegetables that are needed every day, especially to make chili. Moreover, Indonesian people who really like chili, when eating without sauce seemed bland. There is less hehe. But unfortunately the price of chili is often fluctuate, sometimes standard but sometimes very high. To get around the expensive chili prices, it would be nice to plant your own chili in the yard of the house. Chilies are usually planted through the seeds. You can easily grow chili from the chili seeds we buy from vegetable or market, or if you want more quality results, you can make your own seeds from selected chili seeds or buy them from the farm shop. Keep in mind that the quality of the seed will determine the quality of the harvest. Make sure the chili plants that we will make the seed itself has a uniform growth in the field, including high uniformity of plants, rod shape, leaf shape, flower color and shape of chili. Chilies produced from plants that do not have uniformity should not be used to make the seeds, because later the quality of the resulting fruit to be less good. How to make your own core seeds. Pick up chili or grab a really old chili with red color with uniform fruits and sizes, healthy fruits and no pest disease. Say at every chili carefully so as not to hurt chili seeds and certainly do not hurt our hands. Take the chili seeds, then wash with clean water until separated from the flesh of chili meat. Soak the chili seeds in clean water and grab the drowned seeds. Seeds of chilies will have a poor growth, so we better throw it away. Drying chili seeds. Avoid direct sunlight. You can dry under a roof that is not too bright. After the seeds are completely dry, the seeds can be used for the next process of seeding and planting. By making chili seeds above, you can sell the chili seeds or use them yourself. B. How to plant cape from seeds in house. Usually we plant chilies in a simple way, that is dispersing chili seeds in pots with soil media and wait for days until the plants they will grow. The results sometimes grow and sometimes not. If the seed is planted directly from the rest of the chili, fried food is actually nothing to lose as well, but if the chili seeds we will buy it with an expensive price become disappointed and very unfortunate, money and energy lost with useless. It is true there is no guarantee that chili planting from quality seeds will grow all, but all we have to do is minimize the failure factor. 1. The first way to plant chili. Use some tissue paper, then wet with water. Spread some chili seeds on the tissue paper. Cover the sheet of tissue that has contained chili seeds ago, then wet or TSI with water. Put the tissue into a plastic box and close the meeting. Wait a few days, until the seeds grow and germinate. Move the seeds that have grown carefully and put in the planting media that have been prepared first. 2. The second way to plant chili. Put the water-dampened cotton into the bottled drinking bottle. Sow some chili seeds over the cotton. Close the plastic cup. Put it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Wait until the seeds grow germinating. Move the seeds germinated TSB carefully and put in the planting media that have been prepared first.